Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to match a reference design in Stitch. Okay, as you can see here, I have this wireframe downloaded. And if you like the idea of this design and you wanted to implement it to your UI design right here under Stitch, well, just go ahead and click on the plus sign right here, upload image. Okay, use that image and then make sure to be more specific right here on your prompt. Okay, let's say, can you make a messaging app and use this wireframe as a reference? If you can, make it look like, or make the design looks like the ones I uploaded. Okay, once done, just click on generate, wait for it. Now it says here you'll have the chat list screen, which is this one, the chat conversation, either the two with the toggles, and the settings screen, which is right here. So if you want to add in some more, let's say, for example, you want it to be specific, this one is the chat list screen, and the second one is the conversation right here, and this one is blank, So what you'll do is just go ahead and add in a prompt, After the chat list screen page, the reference shows that it got toggles, So make another page next to this one, chat list screen, that resembles a chat enable or disable option, or even mute or unmute. Then continue with chat conversation screen right here and settings screen. Once that's done, generate, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, it will show you right here. It will include the chat list screen, the chat options screen, the chat conversation screen, and the settings screen. So yes, create all of them. As you might have noticed, you need to be more specific about these stages or pages of your reference. As you can see here, we now have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If the design right here be on dark mode or light mode, and you want it to be as a light blue, the background, you can just go ahead and add it in the prompt. So it matches the reference design right here into your Stitch UI. All right, as you can see here, it's done. It matches a reference design right here. The chat list, the chat options, the chat conversation is right here, and the app setting. There you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.